Follow these steps to access Facebook's hidden football mode. Let's get started. First, launch a Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left, you're gonna find this Facebook logo. What you'll need to do is double tap on that. Now you're gonna find out this pop-up saying let's go. Click on the let's go option to confirm it. Once the software shifts into football mode, several structural interface changes are applied across your application session. Your typical like or love reaction icons or in tournament or sports related post changes into custom football animations, letting you send stadium themed emojis to friends. Long pressing on the main Facebook logo after double tapping it launches a hidden in-app arcade soccer game. Activating this module unlocks a tournament branded custom variant icon for your mobile home screen layout. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.